Dear viewers, I hope you are all fine. This ultrasound video shows a mucocele of the gallbladder. You can see the liver, gallbladder and the right kidney. The gallbladder mucocele distension, which is usually non-inflammatory, results from an outlet obstruction of the gallbladder and is commonly caused by an impacted stone in the neck of the gallbladder or in the cystic duct. No single laboratory test is diagnostic of the gallbladder mucocele. Mucocele develops due to excessive accumulation of mucus. It may be due to an impacted stone in the gallbladder neck, most commonly, or cystic duct, or decreased gallbladder motility. You can see the gallbladder is distended and a large amount of debris, thick sludge has filled the whole length of the gallbladder. A grossly distended, thin-walled gallbladder measuring more than 5 cm across anteroposteriorly, an impacted stone in the infundibulum or neck of the gallbladder or in the cystic duct, and clear fluid content indicates a possible mucocele. But in this case, the fluid is thick and turbid, having multiple internal echoes due to the infection. The ultrasonographic Murphy sign may be positive. Ultrasound is used to identify signs of inflammation involving the gallbladder and is very good at showing gallstones. Ultrasound produces pictures of the gallbladder and bile ducts. It shows signs of inflammation or indications that there is blockage of bile flow. Ultrasound is most commonly test performed to evaluate gallbladder abnormalities. Again, in this case, you can see the gallbladder having a large amount of thick sludge, debris, and the gallbladder is distended. When the gallbladder is inflamed and swollen, it irritates the phrenic nerve. The phrenic nerve stretches from the abdomen through the chest and into the neck. Each time when a person eats a fatty meal, it aggravates the nerve and causes rapid pain in the right shoulder blade. Now, the most common symptom of the gallbladder problem is pain. This pain usually occurs in the mid to upper right section of the abdomen. It can be mild and intermittent, or it can be quite severe and frequent. In some cases, the pain can begin to radiate to other areas of the body, including back and chest. When gallstones are diagnosed, there may be some uncertainty about whether the stones have passed into the bile duct. Gallstones in the bile duct are sometimes seen during an ultrasound scan. If they are not visible, but your test suggests that bile duct may be affected, you may need an MRI scan or cholangiography. Differential diagnosis can include outlet cholelithiasis, choledocholelithiasis, irritable bowel syndrome, IBS, right colon or duodenum spasm, right-sided visceral hypersensitivity, right-sided stool constipation, dyspepsia, ulcer and non-ulcer, chronic pancreatitis, and atypical reflux or gas. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe my channel. If you do like this video, please click the like button. Thanks.